I really like the finished look, and I'm quite impressed with most of the products that I used so far. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts about the products that I used. What you think about them or the look. Just, you know, feel free to show some love and get to press the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impression makeup video. Some of these products I've never tried them before, so I thought it would be nice to share them with you guys live and, you know, let you guys know what I think about them. So let's get started. So the first product I'm going to be using today is by Thrivecausemetics. It's their Infinity Waterproof Eyebrow Liner. So it's a pencil liner really. Trying that for the first time, and the brand to be precise. So I'm going to use that to draw my eyebrow. I'm actually using that to fill in my eyebrow. I don't know if you guys can see that, because I had already drawn my brow like a week ago. So I'm just following the shape of my eyebrow, even though I went a little bit high. I like the shade because it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same as my normal eyebrow. I think the shade is in Serena, and I like the shade because it's very close to my natural brow. So I think it's just the right match. So next I'm just going to, you know, clean up my eyebrow, and I'll be back. Huda Beauty. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer right here. Now that I'm done with my eyebrow, I'm going to move on to my eye. So for my eye, I'm going to be using the Thrivecausemetics palette right. I'm going to be using the 3 shades right here from the palette. So I'm not quite sure, I might decide to go for this black shade as well. I'm going to start with the lighter shade first. I'm applying that all over my lids. I don't know the look I'm going for because it's a neutral palette, so I'm just going to, you know, just get on with the vibes and see how things works. So it's called Ellen, I guess. Yeah, I think it's called Ellen. So I'm going to take that shade there. I'm going to apply that in my outer V. Take this shade right here. It's called Rosemary. I'm going to apply that on my lids. Look at that, guys. I noticed the palette is very pigmented, because I have to be honest with you guys, I wasn't expecting that much of a pigment from this palette because it's a neutral palette, but I am surprised, but I'm loving it. It's just working out perfectly for me, because at the moment I'm not sure of what I'm going for, but we're getting there, right? I know I look funny, right? I'm going to take this black shade. I'm going to apply that in my outer V. I'm going to apply that on. So next I'm going to line my eyes with the Jeffree Star blue line. I just wanted to spice it up a bit. So So I'm going to be using the Pinky Goat lashes right here. So that's my lashes done. I think this has become my favorite eyelashes. Next I'm going to move on to my face. So for my Too Faced Tutti Frutti Fresh Squeezed Highlighted Drop right here, I'm going to use that to prime my face. You need to shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. So it's the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Drop highlight. Use that to prime my face as opposed to, you know, using it as an highlight. I'm always too scared of liquid highlighters, but I'm going to give this a go as a primer. So next I'm going to apply my mascara by Too Faced. It's the Born This Way Too Faced mascara. I tried this for the first time in a video and I'm surprised that I liked it. I'm going to be double priming my face. So this is another highlighter by Ardell right there. So I'm going to apply that as well on my face because today we're just going to glow, like glow, glow, glow. Let's see how that works out for me, because right now I think I'm going to make a mess of my face, but let's see how that goes for me really. I'm going to also blend that into my skin. This is my first time, I think, trying to, you know, use an highlighter as a primer. Look at me right now. I look so funny, but Sacha Buttercup foundation right there. The shade I have with me is way too light, but look at the consistency of the foundation. It's very thick, so I'm guessing it's a full coverage foundation. Look at that. So I'm going to mix a tad of my dark foundation. The coverage is amazing, like guys, the coverage is amazing. I just wish it was my shade, because it was a tad lighter than my skin tone, which I'm not mad at because I was able to make that work. So now that I'm done with that, I am going to contour and highlight my face. For my face I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty primer. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer right here. I'm going to blend that. I'm going to use that to highlight my face really. The shade is really dark, so I'm just going to use that to contour my face. Oh my days, this is really dark. Oh, I think in my previous video I used another shade. It was not this dark. Oh no. Woo! I'm going to use the beauty sponge right there. I'm going to use that to blend it in. The amazing thing is that it blends in smoothly into the skin, so you don't have to worry if you apply a bit too much, because it blends in well into the skin. Look at that. It blends in really well into the skin. So for my nose, I'm not going to be using the cream contour to contour my nose. because I always make a mess of it when I do that. So I tend to use a powder contour to do that. So using the Sacha Buttercup powder right here. I really liked it. When I had it then, because I used the whole thing, like I totally run out of it because I use it every day until I run out of it because I liked it then. And I'm still liking it now. So I'm using that to set my concealer. And I didn't apply any contour yet on my nose, but I'm still going to do that, you know, set the areas that I contoured. But before then, I always tend to set my highlighted areas first. Why? I don't know. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty setting powder Easy Bake right there. I'm going to use that to, you know, set the areas that I contoured earlier. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Tutti Frutti. Oh my goodness, guys, look at the packaging, it's so cute. So I'm going to take this shade right here. I'm going to apply that on my cheek. It smells, wow. It smells amazing. It smells amazing. That's the Tutti Frutti Too Faced collection. It smells really nice. Like, even from holding it afar, I can still smell it. That's awesome. Face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Right. It has a smell to it as well. Not that bad. And it does the job. I'm going to take the Too Faced Tutti Frutti palette right here. It's the highlighter palette in the shade Pineapple Sun. I'm going to take the highlighter from this palette right here. I'm going to use that to highlight my face. I didn't realize that it had a bronzer in it. I actually forgot that totally. I would have used the bronzer to set my contour. Thrivecausemetics eyeliner right here. I'm going to use that to line my waterline. I'm so excited to try the Thrivecausemetics liquid lipstick right here. Is in the shade Aspen. Line my lips with the Thrivecausemetics lip liner right there. It's actually a nude lip liner, but I don't really mind using it to line my lips. I think I'm loving it. This is the finished look, guys. What